Hello everyone, my name is Landon. I live in the city of Derby and Bourbon in Kentucky, United States. I would love to see you say hi in the comments, and I'm curious to know where you are in the world. Well, let's start cooking. The first thing we do is adding 1 cup of milk into a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Add 4 teaspoons of gelatin, half cup of sugar. Now we just stir with a whisker, then stir occasionally after that until gelatin is dissolved. At the same time, we start to prepare our fruits. I'm using a clementine. It's a hybrid between a mandarin and an orange. So basically it's just a kind of orange that is easier to peel. You may use any kind of orange for this dish. I also have a mango here, some strawberries, and a kiwi. You may use grapes or any kind of berries, any kind of fruits that you like, as long as they are not too juicy. For example, watermelon. Yeah, we don't want to use watermelon here. I think dragon fruit will be awesome for this dish. Anyhow, we just peel, prepare, and thinly slice some of these fruits for presentation for this dish. We can cut the mango like this, then use a spoon to scoop the fruit out. Thinly slice the strawberries. And the same thing for the kiwi. Remember to stir our pot occasionally. Now we just use a spoon to scoop out the mangoes. See? It's very easy. For the rest, we just peel and chop, separate the orange, and we're done with prepping the fruits. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything. Once gelatin completely dissolves, turn up heat. We then add in 1½ cup of yogurt. You may use any kind of yogurt, but here I'm using sweetened non-fat Greek vanilla yogurt to keep this dessert super healthy. Now we just stir until smooth with no lumps. If you use Greek yogurt like I do, the mixture will not be completely smooth, but that is okay. It's just a part of Greek yogurt. Our mixture should be fine. Looking good. Let's move our mixture off the heat. Now we start to assemble our dish. We just use thin slices of the fruit, stick them on the bottom and the side of the bowl. You can be creative any way you like here. I like to have a slice of orange on the bottom. Now we add the rest of the mango, my favorite fruit, in the mixture, stir, then pour into the bowl. Add some of the rest of the fruits in. We don't have to add everything in as our bowl has limit. Overcrowd the bowl may cause the mixture doesn't set properly. After this, we let it sit in refrigerator for at least 4 hours for the mixture to set. Now it's 5 hours later. Let's get it out of the bowl. So we place a plate or cutting board on top of the bowl. We then flip it over, then lift up the bowl. I'm excited. Here we go. Yes, it's beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. Well, it's time to dig in. I forgot to mention, if you can't get the dish off the bowl, you may want to soak the bowl in hot water for about 10 to 15 seconds before inverting the dish. So it tastes just like a firmer version of my favorite yogurt, but with better flavors from extra vanilla and fresh fruits. This is definitely my favorite dessert that keeps me stay young and healthy. And I hope it becomes yours too. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more future content. Thank you again for watching and cooking with me. I wish you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye.